Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Acer monitor not detecting HDMI, cable port, EDID and driver fix. Fix 1. Perform a complete power cycle. You just have to turn off the computer and unplug the Acer monitor from the power outlet. Unplug the HDMI cable from both of PC and the monitor. You just have to press and hold the monitor power button for 5 to 10 seconds to drain any residual power. Reconnect the power cable and HDMI cable and turn everything back on. Fix 2. Set the monitor input manually. You have to press menu buttons on your Acer monitor to access the on-screen display OSD. Navigate to input or source option. Avoid using auto source or detection. Manually select HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Ensure selected HDMI port matches the cable connection. Fix 3. Force Windows Display Detection. Press Windows key plus P simultaneously. Click on Duplicate or Extend. Open your Windows Settings System Display and click on Detect button or under a multiple display. Fix 4. Update or reinstall graphic drivers. Right-click on the Start menu. Select Device Manager. Expand the list by selecting arrow next to the display adapter. Right-click on your graphic drivers, then select Update Driver from the context menu. Choose option to search automatically for drivers. Fix 5. Check physical hardware. Test any different HDMI to rule out internal cable damage. For desktop, ensure the HDMI cable is connected to dedicated graphic card, not a motherboard. Thanks for watching.